Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to your computer so that you can use basically on pretty much all the apps that you have, not just on Google Docs. Okay, so what we are going to do is head over here to the official Grammarly website, and from here we will basically download Grammarly for Windows or for Mac. Now what we are going to do is run the download installer file and follow the on-screen setup prompts. So it will take a few moments that this thing loads up. Okay, just like that. And what we need to do now is just sign up to existing account or sign up for free. So just sign up. Then what we are going to do is next. This is a short tutorial demo. Now what you're going to do is again you can launch your browser, open Google Documents, and start typing. The floating Grammarly widget will overlay on your screen right next to your active text cursor or something like as you can see right here. And yeah, if I remove this one like so, okay, it doesn't matter. Here you will then see this one here, and this will follow you while you typing. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the